Hey, what's up guys? Trading 101 video coming your way right now. I wanted to go over my screen setup, what I have set up on different screens. Now I run 4 monitors on a custom built PC. I built the PC myself, had somebody pick out some parts that would help me run the 4 monitors because I'm not super familiar with the PC world. Anyways, this is my main screen. And of course this is Thinkorswim. So I like Thinkorswim for their charting, as well as their time and sales tape, things of that nature. It's very easy to navigate and easy to customize. It's very quick at updating, especially if you switch to the streaming mode. So the main screen I have, I'm covering half of this, but I tried to put the camera where it wasn't covering much. This is the 1 year, 1 day chart. And I can change the time frame on this. The max it will let me go is 3 years, 1 week. But I usually keep that at 1 year, 1 day. And then I also have, this is the time and sales tape, so this is the orders that are going through, what size they were, and what price they were. If you click here, you can show greater than or equal to 200, which I usually do, kind of filters out some of the noise. This chart here is either, depending on what I'm looking at, either a 5-day 15-minute or a 10-day 30-minute, and I'll interchange those. Down here is the news. So this is a breaking news feed on the ticker that I've selected. So you can see AABB had one 11.8. What had news today? NSAV. So you can see it shows up with the time, the headline, and if I click on it, then I can read the PR really quickly. So I like having that in the corner. If something's running, showing up on my scan or from my watch list, I can quickly tell what it has for news, if any. Down here is level 2. Now, Thinkorswim does not show level 2 for OTCs, which is kind of a bummer. So I actually use my phone for that. The TD Ameritrade app on the mobile phone has level 2 for OTCs. I'll pull up a NASDAQ real quick just so you guys can see the level 2 in action. So that's your level 2 down there. Here I have my trading inputs. Now, I actually have been trading with Fidelity instead of TD Ameritrade to avoid their commissions. So this is kind of null and void right now, but if I can get rid of it just like that. And then on the left side, of course, I have my account info, which you don't really care about. But then I have my watch list. Now I'll update this every day, add something that might be running, take off something that's kind of out of play for now. This is my pre-market scan watch list. So I have a scan set up for pre-market. It shows stuff that's moving on abnormal pre-market volume. It brings up stuff before the market open that could potentially be gapping up. And I'm running it now even though the market is open. I also have a scan. So you can bring up your scans here as a watch list, which is really cool. And then you can see I have a 2 here, which is linked to all the stuff on this page. So if I click on a ticker over here, as you can see, it brings it up and brings up all the info in no time. Down here is my watch list of previous OTC runners. Stocks that tend to run, stocks that run initially tend to run again. So anything that's had big runs in the past, I usually try to keep on here. And that way, if they're moving, I can see it quickly and bring it up, see why they're moving, possibly get in on the action depending on what's going on. On my second screen, let's see if I can get it here. Oh, I totally pushed the wrong button there. There we go. And we're going to go to... nope. There we go. So this is my my second monitor that I use for trading. This is just 6 intraday charts of the hottest stocks that I'm keeping an eye on right now. So it really lets me see the chart action in real time. Now DPLS just broke above 13, so that's actually probably a decent entry area here. I'm not going to take that trade yet today. I think it needs to consolidate more. It could have a midday move, but I haven't been really successful trading the midday moves. But if this continues to trade in this area into the afternoon, I'll probably take that trade. And then the third monitor, I actually have my chat rooms on. They're two paid chat rooms, and I split the screen between both of them. So I can't unfortunately show you that screen because the stuff is not shareable, and I could get in trouble for that. So we won't do that. The fourth screen, I have my Fidelity trade info on, as well as usually a video or something of that nature, something to kill the time, distract me a little bit. So that's basically my trading setup in a nutshell. It works for me. I'm not saying it's going to work for everybody, but you know, if you like it, then go for it. So this is the main screen again, and that's the one that I find the most useful. So if I see something running on my 6 stocks, I can go, boom, and it pulls it up, and everything's right here at the touch of a button. I did take a trade on AABB this morning. From here to here, so it's decent. But anyways, make sure you like and subscribe. More Trading 101 videos coming your way. We're gonna go over the basics and continue to expand on more extensive topics as we cover them. So thank you guys very much, and have a good day.